I'm doing a quick eye look with warm tones. I also have a companion video where I did cool tones from the same palette. So let's get started and I'll show you how I created this look. Just like in the companion video where I did the cool tones, and this one with the warm tones, I'm also using the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics. And in this palette, so I like to use this one that's a little more yellow. This is completely matte under the brow bone, and I like to use this one which has a tiny bit of shimmer. It's the only one with shimmer in this palette on the mobile lid. So let's get started with that. And I'm using warm colors, which I probably said 100 times by the time you hear this. So I'm starting with this light kind of yellow color, and maybe I need to clip my hair back under the brow bone. And I'm using a magnifying glass to my right, to your left, because I can't see anything. All right, now I'm going to use this one, this huge mirror, this one right here on the mobile lid. It's almost the same color as the other one, but just has a tiny bit of shimmer in it. And I'll be going back with both of these to do some cleanup afterward. Now, like I said in the other video, this one, obviously I'm doing the cool tones I did first. So I like these two shades here as my transition shade, because transition shades that are light are better on me. So I'm going to use this one as a transition shade. I'm just using this little e.l.f. brush, which I should probably get a piece of Kleenex out to clean my brushes as I go. And I'm just putting it above the crease so that when I open my eyes, I can see a little of it peeking out. Now I'm gonna just detour a little bit, and I'm going to use this tiny little brush, which is from, what's this from? I will post that in the description box below. I love it. And I'm going to use it to line, and I'm actually going to use, they don't have a dark brown in this one, but I'm going to use this brown here to line under my eyes, and I'm probably going to use the black to go over. I like to do this first so that if I make a mess I can clean up, and you know, it's how I roll. And then I'll use this black here to line the upper lash line. Just a little bit, tap a lot of that off. All right, now I'm going to focus on these three right here. This is the lighter brown, this is the dark brown, and lighter, darker, and then this orangey, which I think is trendy, but it's trending now. But you know, someday we're going to look at that orange color and go, what were we thinking? Anyway, all right, so I'm going to start with, what brush do I want to start with? I'm going to start with this, now I know, the carroty brush that's kind of pointed, and go into the lighter of the two browns and go right into the crease, but not all the way across. And bring it a little bit on the mobile lid and a little bit out right here. With a flick of my wrist, I can put it where I don't want it. You know, too far down, too far out. All right, now I'm going to use a little bit of this brown, and I'm going to use this kind of chubby brush. I like this from Eco Tools. It's real short. Actually, the brush that came with the palette has something like that. a couple of these. I don't, well, I tried them, but I don't typically use them. Okay, now I'm going into this brown, the darker of the two. They're actually really close in color. And I'm just going to do into the crease and coming up a little bit. This is not going to, this is going to be a more nighttime look, I think, by the time I'm done. See how dark it is, unless I put it on really lightly and blend well. So I'm bringing it up just a little bit. All right. I'm going to blend it now because it's just looking kind of creepy before I try the orange, and I'm just going to use this Eco Tools. You know, sometimes they call it Eco Tools because it's a little, and blend it out. If I can turn my head so that I can see myself, but you can see what I'm doing too. All right, now I'm going to be brave and go in with that orange color. And I'm going to use this tiny little angled brush just because. All right, I'm going to dip into that orange, touch it onto a tissue, and I'm just going to go in the outer corner of the mobile lid. I'm not even going to bring it up too high, just because I don't necessarily like the orangey look on me, even though I have brown eyes. That's all I'm going to do with that one and blend. Now I'm going to go back in with the lighter colors and like here, and touch up. And with the lid color that I used over here. And blend a little bit. All right, next I'm going to apply mascara off camera, and I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash for my upper lashes, and for my lower lashes I'm using the Maybelline Full and Soft. So that's it. That's my warm colors. If I look down, you can see a little bit more about how I've done this, and thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the cool tones by clicking one of the images. You'll see the image on the right side of your screen. You can also mouse over the little eye in the upper right hand corner and click that and watch some other videos that are on similar topics. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.